Hello, I should have started series with this episode, but better late than never. A few months ago, I found a 5-axis pocket CNC machine from Penta Machine online, and it fascinated me so much that I decided to build my own desktop 5-axis machine, but with larger work area and greater capabilities. And so the idea was born, then the 3D model, and finally the production started. Here we can see the 3D model after refinement. I used the guides I had already purchased. In the meantime, I managed to buy HUD system wave gears for the fourth axis and the complete fifth axis unit at the Bergen place. Here we can see bodies, base and column after welding. Then after sandblasting, here we can see the bodies after milling and grinding during some paint work. Here we can see finished fourth axis plate. Here we can see another plate after milling and grinding. Here we can see marking the holes for the x-axis guide. Here we can see screwing the bodies together on a flat plate. Body after screwing on the footrests, guides and x-axis plate. And here we can see a cross section of the fourth and fifth axis unit. Here we can see fourth axis bracket made from aluminium. Fourth axis bushing. Fourth axis HUD system gear components. Fourth axis shaft with bearings installed. Fourth axis with body together with shaft. Fourth axis ring gear installed. Some lubricant added to the bearings. And this here we can see complete fourth axis unit together with servo motor. We can see a complete unit during some adjustments and on tests, especially gearbox. So those were the beginnings. More in the next episodes. Goodbye.